Dark N Stormy, a national drink of Bermuda. This drink dates back to the British Royal Navy. Back then, sailors found out that ginger beer mixes very well with rum. That's funny. Most of you already know how I feel about rum. It mixes well with everything. Before we make the drink, please note that just like any other classic drink, you can make it however you want. The possibilities are endless here. Today, we're going to take a look at some of those ways of making this drink. Let me know in the comments of which is your preferred version of this drink. I'm Gabriel Morales from Liquid Memoir, and on this channel, we drink, sip, talk booze, and do cocktail tutorials. So, if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notified of the next video. Time to storm it up. For the first Dark and Stormy, we're gonna build it straight in the glass. Now this is optional, but I think it works very well. You can add the juice of half a lime, which would be half an ounce or 15 mils of fresh lime juice. Then fill your highball glass with ice. Then you're gonna add 2 ounces or 60 mils of dark rum, preferably dark rum from Bermuda. Now the recipe calls for 3 ounces or 90 mils of ginger beer. I don't typically measure my sodas. I don't think you really need to be utterly precise here, but you can if you want. Pour your ginger beer, then give that a stir, serve it with a straw, and garnish with a lime wedge. The first Dark and Stormy. Let's give it a taste. Wow, very refreshing, super simple. When I arrive home, super tired, this is probably the drink that I'm gonna make. Super easy. All right, let's make the second one. This second Dark and Stormy comes from my friends and previous bar I worked at, Rum House in New York City.
Where are you going? They have coffee here.
Now you can build this one straight on the highball glass, but I'm combining some ingredients in a shaker first. Add half an ounce or 15 mils of fresh lime juice. Then add a 1/4 ounce or 7.5 mils of ginger syrup. Then you're gonna add your ice to your highball glass and only add 1 small piece of ice in your shaker. Remember, we're simply combining some ingredients, so we don't really need dilution here. Give that a quick whip shake, about 5 seconds. Then pour your ingredients in the highball glass and add ginger beer, about 3 ounces or 90 mils. Your highball glass should be filled 2/3 of the way. Finally, pour 2 ounces or 60 mils of your Bermudian rum. Make sure to pour it slowly. A nice trick for this is to pour slowly over the ice. This way, the rum will layer on top, like so. Finish this off by garnishing with a lime wheel and serve it with a straw. Okay, we have a second Dark and Stormy. First off, clear difference between the first one and the second one. You have the layer of the rum on the top and the ginger, the lime on the bottom. Now, you can drink it like this, but your rum is gonna stay on top, so I recommend mixing it. I lost my tasting video for this drink. Oh no! Real quick while you watch this on slow motion. This one is equally as refreshing as the first one we made. The ginger stands out more on this version thanks to the ginger syrup, but it's balanced with the lime juice. Also, it looks awesome. Shout out again to my friends at Rum House in New York City. Alright, our third and final Dark and Stormy. So, in a shaker, we're gonna pour half an ounce or 15 mils of fresh lime juice. Then add 3/4 ounce or 22.5 mils of ginger syrup. If you don't know how to make ginger syrup, click the link to learn how to make it. Then add 2 ounces or 60 mils of your dark rum. Now add your ice. And give that a good shake. Once you're done shaking, double strain your cocktail into your highball glass. Then, you're gonna top this off with club soda. Optionally, add a few dashes of Angostura bitters. You can garnish this with lime and mint. I only went with mint here. Another good garnish you can use is ginger candy. Serve with a straw and enjoy. We did it! 3 different Dark N Stormies. You got something here for everyone. If you don't want to have too much effort and just build a drink, make the first one. The second one, if you want to show off a little, have the layers, is the way to go. The third one, it's a bit of a modern twist. They're all delicious in their own way, with their slight differences. If you enjoyed this video, or you learned something, leave a like, share with friends, and I'll see you the next time.